All right, exercise 3 is target practice or spot landings. We set up 2 spots, landing spots, 10 to 15 feet apart. We stand behind them in line with those 2 spots, take off from the first spot, climb to eye level, and then fly to the second spot and land. We keep the camera in the single orientation, no yaw whatsoever. Just fly back and forth, take off, land, repeat. Sometimes you'll need to be accurate in your landing spots. So this is one way to practice that. And also there is the factor of reverse control as you're flying towards you and as you're flying away from yourself. So visualizing that and practicing that is good practice. After we practice that for a while, we can try standing to the side and going left and right as well, just to break up the practice. And if that gets a little tedious, try manipulating the camera so it faces you constantly as you go left and right from spot to spot. So there's a number of variations you can do to build a little bit of interest in it and make it a little bit of a challenge. But basically, we're just improving on the accuracy of our flight.